Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse Premier all-wheel drive. Exterior color is silver ice metallic and the interior color is jet black. This vehicle is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 mated to the 9-speed automatic transmission. This Traverse, being a Premier level trim, does come fully equipped. You do have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel, as well as heated and cooled driver's seats, 8-inch touchscreen LED for your navigation and climate controls, wireless charging, automatic shifter, as well as your select dial for your terrain modes. You can switch this vehicle to front wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. You have terrain assist and trailer assist, and your electronic parking brake. This Traverse, being the Redline Edition, does come with 20-inch tire package, all black with the red hash marks, as well as clear tinted taillights. The Traverse badging is red with a black inlay, as well as the front and rear Chevy bow ties are both black. In the rear of this 7-seater vehicle, you do have your climate controls, as well as heated captain seats, dual USB outlets, and a 12-volt outlet. You have your fold-down captain seats here, and easy access to the third row. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video of the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. We hope to see you down in the showroom soon at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.